我们的民警通过跟我谈话，你是为了国家法律，然后推荐给我依据那种一所学校，然后我跟家人商量以后，在这申请志愿来的。
你是犯了什么罪呢？
我以前多次听了非法将军人员讲的一些言论，然后通过听了他的言论之后，我就在脑海里出现了一些极端思想，然后违反了国家法律。
你现在看到我们这个学习情况，很多人我们都是自己认为有问题，刚好政府有党和政府举全国财力免费为我们提供这种学校，我们说这是党和政府在关心我们自愿来的，所以根本就对人权这种方面就没有那种觉得很自由。
这边的主要培训学员家庭礼仪。这些话呢，全是我们的学员自己画的。
如果我们带手机的话，就是可能影响我们的学习，所以我们这里不用带手机。
When Chinese government organize a trip for the journalists, domestic or foreign, often that's what they want to present, and then to cover what they have been lying about what's happening in Xinjiang these days, which is a mass concentration against people's will. They're going to put a cosmetic on that to suit their propaganda that this internment camp is actually an education, vocational education camp, that people there are happy. The members, the camp members in there are happy. But let's be focused. Even the organized trip can see that the members in the camps were there against their will.